Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Tesla. This four-door sedan has engine with rear-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Tesla has less than 81,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include auxiliary audio input, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.